Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to give you market analysis. So we're seeing massive divergence in the markets today. While Bitcoin is hovering around $75,300, around that when I checked earlier, it's proving its resilience. Now, the standout performer this week is XRP. Give it up to my XRP community. Finally, it's stepping into its new era because it was deemed a commodity last month. You should expect that. Like, it gotta show out. It's been tried and tested. So if you've been waiting for the institutional floodgates to open, wait no more. They just did. Let's look at the numbers. With Bitcoin, like I said, Bitcoin is hovering around $75,300, 378. Despite recent geopolitical jitters, what it looks like is that the risk on sentiment is holding firm. So the primary technical flow has shifted up to the 70,000, 71,000 range. I'm thinking if it does retest, if there's any more turmoil, and this is 2026, you can't really, I'm not gonna speculate, but I can tell you that if we get another turmoil and it breaks that resistance, it could drop to 58K. Okay? Just saying. Looking at the long-term 2026 outlook, consensus targets the price to go to 120,000. And why? It was there last year. It was there really, it actually went over 120,000. And so it's being driven by a combination of post-halving supply squeeze and the Clarity Act passing. So if the DC people get it together and the banks stop tripping, then we could see it quickly get back up to 120K. Now, let's move on to XRP. This is absolutely a good time for XRP holders because it has been showing out. It's been the standout performer this week, especially. It's broken to $1.42. Yes, $1.42. I was going to say 138. No, it's crossed 138 because it was F one bit. So since the US export XRP ETF launch, they've already absorbed roughly 1.44 billion. Okay, let me repeat that. Roughly 1.44 billion. But here's the catalyst. Standard Chartered has predicted that it could scale to $10 billion. That's the projection from Standard Chartered if the Clarity Act passes. We know it will, so it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. This is a massive increase in institutional liquidity. Massive, from $1.44 billion, and it will shoot up to 10 billion. This is the timeline for towards the end of the year. I think the Clarity Act is supposedly going to go through before the primaries, which is November. But anyways, this is what we're going to be looking at. So on the charts, XRP again, it's leading at trading above $1.42. And for you people who are keeping an eye on the chart, it could target $1.53, and if we break that on high volume, next major target would be $1.65 to $1.80. Okay, moonshot scenario, and I'm gonna quote this analyst Jeffrey Kendrick. He suggests it could hit $8 target by the end of 2026. Why again? It's because of that Clarity Act. So it's important that they get that passed, because then, we get back into a bull mode. Man, we've been sitting in this bear market literally since, for DeFi, it's been since 2023. But, the big players, XRP, Bitcoin, you all had a bull last year. That was good. So what does this mean for broader markets? Bitcoin is a clear winner overall, but XRP is holding its own. So the major clarity that we have to look at is the hurdle for institutional tokenized RWAs. It has vanished. Why? Because we're done talking about price speculation. Okay, we're now talking about how much is going to get unlocked when the infrastructure is built. So we are talking about building the regulatory infrastructure, not just for billions, for trillions in tokenized assets, being led by XRP. That's it for now. Thank you. If you're going to the conference, I'll see you there next week. Bitcoin conference, holler. XRP conference, holler. It was nice. Take care. God bless.